Hey y'all, welcome to my channel once again. Today we have another good one. We have Escovitch fish. I hope everyone is having a good day, so let's get into the video. So here you see I'm washing my salmon. We use salmon for this recipe. You can use snapper, you can use kingfish, whatever fish you'd like. Just make sure you wash it in some vinegar water and some lime juice water as well, just to cut down on the rawness and remove the debris. And so there you see I'm doing just that. If you like what you see here, be sure to turn on that notification, like, share, follow for more, and leave a comment so we know where you're watching from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. So there I'm using some powdered seasoning. You can use whatever you like. I use garlic powder, black pepper, the Old Bay seasoning, and some Italian seasoning. There you see I'm mixing it together, and then we're going to make sure that our fish is well dry. And once we get it well dried, then we will put our seasoning on, since we're gonna be frying it. You can air fry too, but today we are deep frying it in some hot grapeseed oil. So you see I'm making sure that my pieces are well dry. There now I'm adding on my season mix, and then once you season it, you just let it sit for about an hour or two, just to get those seasonings all into your fish. So once you fry it, that flavor comes through. And you notice my seasoning is all over to the sides and everything, because I want the flavors to be on point. And you just rub it on both sides of your fish. So once that's done, now we're gonna get into frying our fish. So I put a sprig of thyme and a clove of garlic, and once my oil is hot, you want to use medium to high flame, not too high. Then you see I'm kind of deep frying this one. It's not all the way covered, but it will make your fish very soft and moist in the middle. And then you're just going to drain it on a rack once it's brown on both sides, and to get rid of the excess oil. And you can see there that it's brown, and we're going to be draining that. You can use less oil if you'd like. For this recipe I wanted to do use this amount of oil to give it even a more moist flavor. And there it is after we fried it, and you can see that it's almost melting because the pieces are broken off from soaking in the oil. And so there I have my onion, thyme, pimento seed, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper, and we're going to use that to make our Escovitch sauce. You can use whichever bell pepper, colored bell peppers you have, because it gives that fish a better, bright look. So I had a piece of green bell pepper, so I'm cutting that up as well, along with my other color sweet pepper. And there I have the 2 cloves of garlic. You know, when you chop the garlic, you get more flavor from it, a more sharper flavor. This one, we just give it a mild, nice flavor to our Escovitch sauce. then you're gonna strip your carrots and cut it in half, and then we're gonna julienne the carrots. See, I'm fighting with it there to get it to cut. And there is my finished product. We have thyme, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, our colored sweet peppers, and the carrot. And so now we're gonna saute in a little bit of oil now, because we had the fish in enough oil already, so therefore we don't need much now. I'm just going to give it a stir for about a minute or two, and then we're just going to add our vinegar to the mix. And for this recipe, I've added some of the seasonings that we use to season up the fish as well, to bring out the flavors of our herbs and carrots. So now we're going to be adding about a half a cup of vinegar to this. You don't want it to be too much vinegar. And then I used some brown sugar just now to cut down on the high acidic flavor of the vinegar. And then we're going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes. You don't want it to be too soft or soggy. And there you see I'm tasting to see if I need to add any more sugar to cut down on the sharpness of the vinegar. And so there you see I'm plating the finished fried fish with all that colors in here. Smells so good from the onions and the garlic. You want to just spread it all over, and then you pour a little bit of the juice on top. We thank you so much for watching. And be sure to turn on that notification so that when we post, you do not miss anything. And to keep us encouraged, share with your family and friends. And there you have it, guys. See you on the next video. Stay safe. Bye.